आपने एप्स्टीन फाइल्स के वीडियोस और इमेजेस तो देख ही लिए होंगे। इफ यू आर अ थिंकिंग पर्सन, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड विल बी, एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान के साथ ऐसा कर कैसे सकता है। इनफैक्ट ये क्वेश्चन आपको इतना हिलाएगा कि आप इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाओगे, आप सबकॉन्शियसली इसको डिनाई कर दोगे। यू विल रिजेक्ट दिस एंड यू विल से नहीं नहीं, इसके लिए एक स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ ह्यूमन चाहिए। और ये जितने भी लोग हैं जिसके अंदर मेरे भी कुछ हीरोज का नाम है, ये एक स्पेशल टाइप का इविल है जो मैंने पहचाना नहीं, but I failed to recognize, but it is there and I'm so shocked, and the world is driven by psychopaths and it is also ruled by a cabal of psychopathic, cannibalistic, vampiristic pedophiles. I'm sorry, but that is not the truth. जो आप एप्स्टीन फाइल्स में देख रहे हो, ये ह्यूमन नेचर का एक एलिमेंट है. It has been there forever in us. This is the banality of evil, and this is the real horror. The banality of evil says that normal humans are more than capable of doing the most atrocious, vile, terrifying things to other humans given the right conditions. Epstein files is an example of what has been happening in the past in human history time and time again. I think the world has forgotten the Second World War and what happened in the Nazi Holocaust. The Nazis did this at a much grander scale. What they did was systematically execute, murder, humiliate, ran experiments on, injected people with diseases, experimented upon them, and they did this systematically and they had fun with it. And do you know who did it? There was not a special kind of evil जो उनको breed करके create करना पड़ा. It was there. Human nature is at the end of the day rotten, particularly when some conditions are met. जब पावर एकदम अनफेटेड हो जाती है, जब आपको लगता है कि आप जो भी कर रहे हो वो बंद कमरे में और कभी बाहर नहीं निकलेगा वो, when you realize that there is nothing above you, even the most normal people among us become the worst among us. Yes, this world is run by psychopaths. और जितने भी लोगों को एप्स्टीन फाइल्स में नाम आया है उनमें से किसी की कन्विक्शन नहीं हुई है. Everybody is running free. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ह्यूमन नेचर से ईविल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करके अपरूट किया जा सकता है. I don't think possible. It's very much part of our survival animalistic nature to be brutal and to be cruel. But the conditions for real evil that exist and that exist very conveniently at the top of society, those can be dismantled. And the best thing for dismantling them is accountability, transparency, is destroying the secrecy of it. If the Epstein files has any good in it, which is very doubtful, it is that it will not allow any such thing to happen again in the future.